Hello everyone, let's dive into the Apos ErgoDox 76, a split ergonomic mechanical keyboard that's been making waves in the enthusiast community. This isn't your typical keyboard. It's a meticulously designed tool aimed at maximizing comfort and productivity. The first thing you'll notice is the split ortholinear layout. This design promotes a more natural hand and shoulder position, reducing strain during long typing sessions. The independent keyboard halves allow for further customization, letting you position each side for optimal comfort. You can even use each half separately, which is a unique and potentially useful feature. Each half boasts 6 programmable thumb keys, offering versatile key assignments for macros, shortcuts, or any other function you can imagine. This level of customization, combined with the QMK via firmware, allows you to tailor the keyboard to your exact needs. The layer indicator screen is a welcome addition, providing a quick visual reference for your current layout, macros, and backlighting settings. The hot swappable switches are a major selling point. The model we're looking at today features Kale rose red switches, known for their smooth linear feel. However, the beauty of a hot swappable board is that you can easily swap them out for your preferred switches without any soldering required. This makes it easy to experiment with different switch types and find the perfect feel for your typing style. Connectivity is handled via USB-C, and each half functions independently. You can designate either the left or right side as the master, or even use each half individually. This flexibility is a testament to the thoughtful design of the ErgoDox 76. The keyboard features PBT keycaps, known for their durability and resistance to shine. They have a nice texture and feel great under the fingers. The RGB backlighting is also well implemented, offering a range of customization options to match your setup. The Apos ErgoDox 76 isn't just a keyboard. It's an investment in your comfort and productivity. The split ergonomic design, combined with the programmable thumb keys, hot swappable switches, and QMK via firmware, makes it a powerful tool for anyone who spends a lot of time typing. While the ortholinear layout may take some getting used to, the benefits in terms of comfort and reduced strain are well worth the effort. If you're looking for a truly ergonomic and customizable keyboard, the Apos ErgoDox 76 is definitely worth considering. It's a premium product with a price tag to match, but the features and benefits it offers make it a worthwhile investment for serious typists and gamers alike.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.